Here is how to enable two-step verification for your Google account. So let's get started. First, come to your browser and search for myaccount.google.com. Here, ensure you've signed in with the Google account where you'd want to add two-step verification, and you can switch the account by clicking on your profile on the top right. Once this is done, click on Security and Sign In. It's over here. Now scroll down and you'll see this option, two-step verification. You can see that it's currently off. So now to enable it, just click on it. Here, you'll have to enter your password. And now to enable it, scroll down and click on Turn on two-step verification. And here they've given us the different methods we can use for the second step. So passkeys, Google Prompt, Authenticator, phone number, we have all these options. So click on Done. So since I had this enabled before, I have all of these added. But if this is your first time, you'll have to add at least one of these options for the second step verification. So this means that after you enter your password, the second step can be either through your phone number, the Google Authenticator app, passkeys, which is basically a fingerprint or a passcode on that system, or a Google prompt. So I'd suggest having most of these enabled, since if your phone number isn't accessible, you can use another method. But this is essentially how it works. And if you want to know some Google privacy and security settings, check out this video. Goodbye.